The world isn't as simple as push and pull, and sometimes when we work with web services, our queries reflect that.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
You'll recall that we used the get all stations function as part of the Irish Trains API in the last video, and that just required that we use this simple URL. However, if we wanted to get all stations of a specific type, we have to return a query string with our URL. So we'll take a look at this particular query right here. Let's go ahead and copy it and paste the results. And you'll notice the query ends in ? station type equals D. So this only returns the specific station types for D. And if we look here again at the documentation, D is for Dart stations, S is for suburban stations, M is for mainline, and A is for all. So here, our first station that we get back, looking for D, the Dart stations, is Malahide, or M-hide. If we change this to M for mainline, we're going to get a different set of stations returned to us. And you notice the first station is Dublin Connolly. Now I'm hard coding this query string here in the URL, but we certainly could do this inside of the application that we've been building. So here we have get all stations XML, but of course our URL has changed. So let's go ahead and copy the new URL in here. And now we've got this parameterized URL where we have the station type parameter and the value. Of course, remember the values can be M, A for all, D for Dart. So now in the program, if we were to run this, we're just going to get back the Dart stations because I've sent the parameterized query with the D for Dart stations. So let's take a look at our result. And again, we'll have to open up our tools and our developer tools here. And there you can see we've gotten our document element here. And then we've got our array of stations, and that first Dart station, Malahide, is listed. Now, of course, oftentimes you'd want the user to choose the parameter here through the user interface. So we could have a drop down that indicates the types of stations that are listed. For right now, we'll just go with the Dart station and leave our URL like this. So in this video, we looked at the idea of parameterized queries that have a query string at the end that give us different data depending on the value of the query string.